bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Magandang umaga po.
Morning.
Happy weekend.
Well, it's only Friday,
Oh, shit.
but we get into the weekend.
Friday. It's not a weekend, guys.
No.
Kumusta po?
I've got to go to work soon. I've got a meeting in 10 minutes and then
Mr. C is busy at the moment.
then I have to go to the office just to drop some stuff off. Then the rest of the day is my own.
Then I will go pick the
Is
beans.
that what you're doing today, babe?
Yes.
Beans. Oh yeah, we got beans.
A lot of beans.
Every weekend when we come home, the garden gets more and more in it. And there's lots of beans this weekend, so you can pick some beans, babe.
Yeah, I got this.
Alrighty.
Alright, guys. See you downstairs. Morning, Dad. Yan, may kandila ka na dyan. At saka bagong tubig. Pick up ako ng beans. Tayo na sa garden. Makulimlim ngayon. Kaya walang araw. It's very gloomy day. Look. Steve needs to fix that lights because it's hanging. Ito, guys. Saka may I got tomato in the garden. Got tomato. Look, two big tomato. Ayan. Namatay na yung ko. Cucumber is already dead. But I replace that. Ayan. Oh, tignan nyo, guys. May okra ko. Dalawang bunga. Maliliit. I got okra. Little fingers. This is aubergine. And peppers. Yan. Garden namin. Kaya mabintas tayo ng beans. Look. You got so many beans. Yan. Tignan nyo. Mapitas tayo ng ng beans. Ang dami kong beans. Look at the beans. Look. Yan. Ang dami kong beans, guys. Got so many beans. Pamitas tayo. Yan. Ang daming beans. Masarap yan. Lagay sa Yan. Got so many beans. Ayan. Ang daming beans. Ayan. Mamitas tayo ng beans. Ito, iba namang beans ito. It's different beans. Rana beans. Kaya, ayan. This Baguio beans. Ayan. Mamitas tayo, guys. Ayan. Dami nating beans. Ayan. Ngayon ka doon. Spinach. Kasi ang dami kong potatoes. Ayan. Onions. There's so many onions. And carrots. Oh, I got strawberry. And carrots. So many strawberries. Ayan. Mamitas tayo ng ng beans. Guys, mamitas tayo ng beans. Pick some French beans. Ayan. French beans. Tapos tayo. So many French beans. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, French beans. Ito pa. So many French beans. Yan. Ito. Yan o. So big. See. Kung may tinanim, may aanihin. Yan. Lagyan natin sa sa bowl. Yan. There's so many French beans. Ito. Beans. Ito. Yan, guys. There's so many beans. Yan. So many beans. Yan. Yeah. Oh, God. See? Yan. This is different beans. Okay. Beans. There we go. Got so many. Yes. Ayan. Nahihirapan na sa Asuncion. Guys. Dito tayo. In the other side. Go. Let me see if we got any bigger one here. Yes. On the other side. Yes. Let's get a bigger one here. Yan. Malaki. This one. Alright. Let me see here. I got another one here. Plenty. Oh, nahulog. Yes. Yeah. Pick them up in the floor. Ayan. Hey guys. So many beans. If I got more here. This still is small. Here we go. A bigger one. Yan. There you go. There's a bigger one. Yan. Bigger one. You're coming home, then plenty of beans again. Oh guys. This is Rana beans. It's different beans. There's one. It's Rana beans. The bigger one there. Ayan. Malaki. Have a look in here. Meron pa dito. Ayan. This is big one. Down below. Ayan. Tignan natin maigi kung may malalaki pa rin. Init ng panahon. Ayan. Let me see in the other side. Tingnan natin kung mayroon pang malalaki dyan. Para pitasan natin. It's still small. Let them grow. Ayan. Guys. See, this is the beans. Let me see the beans. There we go, guys. See? This is the beans. Lots of beans. Yan, dami. Ayan. Yan. Yan. See, dami ng beans. This is the beans. Yan. This is my garden. Tignan natin kung mayroon pa. Ayan, wala na. Kaya, okay na yan. You see the beans. That's it. This is plenty. Ayan. Hi guys, ito ang garden. Ayan, dami ng bunga, ng beans. Ayan. Ito na po guys, this is our beans. Kwento pa, Prince bean, Baguio beans, and in Philippines we call Baguio beans. But it's in UK we call Prince bean. Yan. Dami na po ng Prince beans. Yan po ang napitas natin sa garden. Ayan. Ito po ang garden natin. Umulan kahapon kaya basa ang mga pilo, pero okay lang. Waterproof naman yan. Kaya magbabarbecue kami siguro. Kaya ito na po ang napitas nating beans. Kung may itinanim, may aanihin po. Hey guys. Ay, namatay na yung cucumber ko. Napalitan ko na yan. May dyan. May buto. Kaya, ayan. At may tomato din. Tomatoes. Two tomatoes. This is my peppers. This is aubergine. We're gonna put them in the ground. At okra, peppers. Ayan. Ito, ang greenhouse kong mess. Ito ang garden natin. Ang kalamansi, yellow ang leaves. Ayan. Yan ang beans natin. At ito ang garlic. Ang dami kong garlic. I got so many garlic. I need to clean them the garden. Give them some weeds. Kasi ang daming weeds. Yung potato. Kaya, ayan. Strawberry. Ang dami pa rin bunga ng strawberry. There's so many strawberry. And carrots. Ayan. Maglumi ang panahon. Ito, Steve gonna fix it because it's come out in the hole. Ayan. Ewan ko ang nangyari dyan. And I got so many pears there. Next door. Ayan. Yeah. Ito ang beans natin. Maglumi ang panahon. This is our beans. Ayan. Dami ng beans. This is our beans guys. Ang dami. Got so many beans. Look. Got so many beans. We call them in the Philippines Baguio beans. Ayan, daming beans. Ayan. In UK, we call them Prince beans. Ito na po. Kung may itinanim, may anihin. Ayan po. Ayan. Daming beans. Prince beans. Ito na po. Ang Prince beans natin. Ang sa garden. Come from the gardens. Ito na po. Salamat po sa panonood. Ito na lang po ang vlog natin ngayon. Mamaya tuloy-tuloy na po. Maraming salamat po. Paalam na po.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit